Hello guys, Earl here from fanboyseo.com, and we will be doing a quick unboxing lang tayo for today for this vlog. And this box is actually coming from DIZO. I think it's DIZO. So ito yung parang spin-off company ni Realme, and they're doing more on the lifestyle side of things. So si Realme is still going to be hardcore the phones, yung mga earphones like that, and tablets and laptops. Pero si DIZO will be more on lifestyle stuff. So they sent me a package today, and let's see kung ano laman. And hopefully I'll be able to help them promote this, and hopefully also maintriga kayo, and you'd probably want to try out their products as well. So let's do this now. Okay, so buksan muna natin to. So cute yung packaging nila, very simple, elegant. Tapos tingnan natin yung laman. Oy, okay. So ano ko lang to, i-adjust ko lang yung aking tripod. So ang laman niya, eto, two things. Yeah, maayos pa yung mic ko. Okay, two things. First is the DIZO Buds Z. And ayan kita mo yung Realme Tech Life. Ayun. So ito yung laman, na first laman. So very important yung branding niya, so yung Realme Tech Life, so it has the design and the colors ni Realme, pero may TL sila. So that's pretty much this is a new brand. So ano yung mga specs nitong product na to? So we have 16 hours, tama ba? Yeah, 16 hours long lasting battery. Meron din siyang 3.75 light and trendy grams na earphones mismo. Environmental noise cancellation for calls, Bluetooth 5.0 instant connection, and then meron din siyang 88 ms super low latency, which is good for gaming, and meron din siyang 10 na dynamic bass boost driver. So very very standard, pero ang bentahe kasi nila, or what they are really selling for, is yung price point nila. Sobrang wow, sobrang baba. Pero since this is Realme, and alam naman natin yung Realme is very for parang they have a perfect balance of price and product quality. So parang okay din naman to. Next, we also have the DIZO wireless na earphones. So tingnan natin yung specs nito. Actually konti lang, and very magaan lang siya. See? Gaan lang. So ang laman niya, tingnan natin. Sa kanya naman, 88 ms low latency, 10 minutes charge for 120 minutes playback, IPX4 water resistant. Okay. Magnetic instant connection, and 17 hours playback, and 11.2 large bass boost driver. So ano to, generic earphone lang siya, hindi siya TWS, pero mukhang okay din naman siya. Ayun. So ayan, thank you ng marami dito, Realme and DIZO. I really appreciate I really appreciate this, and I'm excited to unbox all these two and try them out. And guys, kung nanonood kayo, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you can like this video, subscribe, and hope to see you soon. Bye guys.